Sirkal oyango okenge 4 moting'o manyo tije ne jo-Kenya e pinje maoko, siro ohelni e chiri ma pacho ka, kod puonjo oganda tije mag lony manyasani mageto bero kendo medo thuolo mag tije ne jo-Kenya. Koloso gi jotend migepe kar yot mare ma Nairobi, jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki owacho ni okenge ma kamagi biro medo tije kendo bero ngima jo-Kenya man pacho ka kod manie pinje maoko.
And we want to appeal to the people of Kenya to look at the multifaceted approaches that this government is looking at the issue of job creation. Some of the jobs are being created locally in the public sector, but also in the private sector. Other jobs are being created virtually, where people can work from anywhere so long as they have access to the digital space. And then, of course, finally, we're also creating a critical mass of diaspora workers who might work abroad but still connected to our country in terms of remittances, investments, and this is part of our promotion of trade in services. The same way we are promoting the exports in goods, we also want to promote trade in services and make sure that we have a number of Kenyans working in the diaspora.